Hi guys, I am Siddharth Khare and I will teach you how you can choose a domain name properly. A domain name is the primary part of your business and the primary part of your website. So you need to take really very special care about how you are going to choose this small thing that means everything for your business. First of all, let's come to the first point. Do not use slangs in your domain name. Slang is, for example, YOU. You use the extension as U. For example, you want to make a website U-turn. Okay, so it can be YOUTURN or UTURN. So the website name should be U-turn, YOUTURN, not U-turn, because it will lead to confusion in people's mind. So if you're not a well-known brand, so you should take care that you should not leave any room for any kind of confusion pertaining to your domain name. Now let us come to the second point. Do not use words that have multiple spellings. For example, the word color. In US, it is written as COLOR, and in Britain, it is used as COLOUR. So if you use any kind of word that has multiple spelling, that also leads to confusion in the people's minds. And when you become a big business, huge business, you will lose a lot of traffic because of people typing your domain names incorrectly, because there are multiple spelling of your domain. Your domain name short. You can take up most of the successful websites in this business, and almost all of these successful websites have very small domain names. Yahoo.com, Google.com, YouTube.com. So all these websites have close to and lesser than 9 characters in their domain name. According to a study of the most successful 100,000 websites, they all have their names below 9 characters. So you need to make sure that you should keep your domain name really short. Another very important funda is that you need to involve your business related keywords in your domain. For example, you want to sell cars. Through that, there's a very famous website that sells cars, that is cardekho.com. So when you look at that site, when you listen to the domain name, it instantly clicks on your mind that this domain sells cars. Okay, there is another website, that is naukri.com. Naukri means job, and that website is related to the job market. Alright, so whenever you want to choose a name for your website, you need to make sure that it should involve keywords related to your business. Another very important part is, if you want to sell locally, if you are a local business, make sure that you involve the name of your city in your domain name. For example, you live in Delhi and you sell properties in Delhi. Okay, you are a broker, property broker. So what can you name your website? You can name your website as delhiproperty.com. Okay, but delhipropertydekho.com. Dekho is not advisable because then the domain names become really long. You need to avoid long domain names, you need to make them shorter. So delhiproperty.com is a good name for a website. Okay, and for example, if you are a local kirana store, you can go with delhikirana.com. Okay, involve the name of your particular city, in which you are doing business in, then choose your domain name. This will help you gain a lot of local visibility on Google. Alright, people will search kirana store in Delhi and you will see that the name of your website pops up, because Google, it matches the keyword your customer is searching and the domain name first. So when both of them match, your website will look up in the search engines. Another very important aspect of choosing your domain name is, you do not have to choose hyphens or do not have to use numbers in your domain name. If you use numbers, it will confuse the person. Okay. For example, you make a website hifi.com. Okay. So people will write it as HIFI or HIFIBE HI numeric 5.com. So what is the domain name? So it will lead to a lot of traffic loss if you use any kind of number in your domain name. And refrain from using hyphens. What will you explain the other person? My website is so and so dash so and so.com. Okay, your dash name.com. No, never use hyphens in your domain name. Okay, it leads to confusion and it leads to loss of traffic. Another very important point that you need to keep in mind is that you should not use a trademark domain. Whenever you are starting your business, whenever you think of a brand name for your website, for your company, always go to the trademark database and see that that particular name has not been trademarked. Alright, because you can start using it, but you are only enhancing the other party's name. The other party can always claim on your name and it will snatch the name away from you and you will have a lot of problems. All your toil, all your work will be wasted. So never ever choose a trademark domain. Another very important point is always use the .com extension. The .com extension has always been there. It is one of the most popular extensions. And for example, if you tell somebody to go to your website, in your website, for example, your website is my t-shirt, so automatically the person will go on the internet and type mytshirt.com. Okay, they will automatically do it because .com extensions are very popular. They've always been there and .com is synonymous with the internet. They will not go and type .in, .co.in. No, they will not do that. Yes, it is advisable to buy those extensions also, because they may, if you do not buy them, it may lead to loss of traffic. But .com is the primary essential element of your domain name. Another very important aspect is you need to buy as many variations as possible of your domain name. For example, you go on the internet and type GOOGLE, okay, or GOGLE, and see which site opens. You will see that google.com opens in all of these variations of your name. So if you think there can be 10 variations of your domain name, go and buy those 10 variations of the domain. Okay, this will help you a lot, alright, in not losing traffic, alright, because there can always be someone who can buy those variations of your domain name and enjoy the traffic that you have built on his domain name. Okay, so always buy multiple variations of your domain name. Last but not the least, I will tell you an example of one of the most one of very famous websites, flickr.com. You know that website? I bet you know about it. The website name is spelled as FLICKR.com. So the owners did not think that those people who will come into their website, they will start typing FLICKER. So there were multiple variations of the domain name, but those people did not buy FLICKER.com. So another person bought it, that is another story. But Flickr.com lost a huge amount of money because of the traffic that went to FLICKER.com, because people only knew how to spell Flickr, but the name of the website was FLICKR.com. So always make sure that you choose the best domain name and you buy different variations of domain name to be safe. So guys, a lot of thought has to go inside when you start buying your domain name. Okay, when you think about buying your domain name. So think about these points and I hope that you buy the best domain for your business.